In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the Gastown area in Vancouver, coming up right after this. This steam clock in Gastown is the first steam clock ever built, and it is such an attraction that there's always a crowd lining, watching the clock sound the hours. That's coming up in just a second, so let's listen. And Gastown's one of those things that I would always encourage people visiting Vancouver. If you're coming in for a cruise, it's very near to the cruise terminal. It's a great place to come and do some sightseeing. You can do, if you arrive early, you can check your bags, come over here and do some sightseeing, or after a cruise, do some sightseeing in Gastown before you leave. It is a very eclectic neighborhood. It's filled with little restaurants, bakeries, you can buy candy, there's art galleries. It is different in the fact that it's not just a tourist area, but this is an area that is part of the nightlife and you could say a hub for activity for the city of Vancouver as well. The architecture is very interesting. Again, because it was the oldest part of the city, you start to see some of the carryover of that in the buildings and the way the streets are moved out. I found this picture that was a great representation of the architecture and the way the streets are laid out. And like many eclectic neighborhoods around the world, you start to meet interesting people. So for example, this young lady was there, and if you wanted to, you could hold her snake. As you can see, there's lots of shopping available as we're moving and looking at pictures in this area. To get from Canada Place, which is the cruise terminal, to Gastown is about a 5-minute walk. The area in Gastown that's for sightseeing is about 12 blocks, so it's a quick and easy jaunt, worth your time and energy. We'll take another look at the clock. As the video gets small and up in the left corner of the screen, you'll see a circle with my face in it. If you're not subscribed, in other words, your subscribe button is red, click my face, that'll fix it. The box has got a video that I think you'll enjoy coming up. Thanks for watching.